Please subscribe my channel.
Hello everyone, I am Manitsainisworld. Happy Science Week! You can see the use of science in each and every aspect of our life. We celebrate Science Week to engage and inspire people with science and technology. So today we are doing walking water experiment. So let's start. For this experiment, I have taken 5 glasses. I have filled 3 glasses with water and these 2 glasses are empty. I have placed empty glasses in between filled glasses. Now we will add 6 to 7 drops of red color in this glass. Now we will add 6 to 7 drops of yellow color in this glass. Now we will add 6 to 7 drops of blue color in this glass. Now we will mix them. Now we will fold tissue paper like this and place these like I am showing. You can see the water has started walking. Now we will leave these glasses like this for a couple of hours. Now see the magic. Water has walked in these 2 empty glasses also. You can see. Now I will tell you about science behind this. Tissues absorb the water from the filled glass. This water travels through the tissue into the other glass due to capillary action. Capillary action is the movement of a liquid through or along another material against an opposing force such as gravity. Thank you.